Be honest. How much time have you wasted writing alt text for images? Maybe hours spent filling in descriptions, or worse, skipping them altogether, which hurts your SEO and puts you at risk of not being accessible. What if AI could handle that for you automatically? Meet AltText AI, a simple tool that automatically generates descriptive, SEO-friendly alt text for your images. Think of it as your behind-the-scenes assistant that makes your site faster to manage, more accessible for visitors, and more visible in search engines. Whether you're a blogger, a Shopify store owner, or running a content-heavy website, this tool can save you a ton of time. Here's what makes AltText AI stand out. Bulk generation. Upload a single image, an entire folder, or even a CSV file, and let AI instantly create alt text for your whole media library. SEO-friendly text. You can insert your own keywords so the descriptions stay brand consistent and search optimized. 130 plus languages. Perfect if you have a global audience and want your content to be accessible worldwide. Seamless integrations. Works with WordPress, Shopify, Contentful, and more. There are also Chrome and Firefox extensions for quick use. Time savings. What could take weeks manually, like writing alt text for thousands of images, can now be done in minutes. Now here's the best part. Normally, tools like this lock you into a monthly subscription, but with the AltText AI lifetime deal on AppSumo, you pay once and get ongoing access. Tier 1 is $69 for 150 image credits per month. Tier 2 is $149 for 600 credits, and Tier 3 is $309 for 2,000 credits per month. No recurring fees, no hidden costs, just a one-time payment. If you process a lot of images, this deal pays for itself really quickly. So, if you want to save time, improve your SEO, and make your website more accessible, check out the AltText AI lifetime deal. I've left the link in the description. Don't miss it while it's still available.